What to do when price has ran off on you. Okay, so today we're going to talk about what to do when price is just going and going and going and does not seem to be looking back. Just think about it. If price has taken off this much, so this happened on the open of the day, May 16th, which was last Friday to May 18th when the market opened once again, we saw this big gap, right? So price ran up from the open 400 plus pips without looking back. Now, yeah, you could have gotten in here 300 pips later, but you have to ask yourself, does it really make sense for me to get in when price has already shown that it's moved a good distance away from the most recent resistance? We want to enter as close to the most recent resistances and supports as possible. So, with that being said, after price did all this over the course of the night, what did it do when it came back down to perfectly retest this resistance that was formulated from the Friday before? So, what does this teach us? Okay, it was cool. We could have caught this, I guess. I mean, if you really wanted to play that game of seeing how long price would push up before finally making its pullback. But the smarter move, the smarter play is to wait for this resistance to be retested. You can enter right there, targeting that high. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And it just depends on what type of trader you are. You could have gotten out right here for a 1 to 3.5 risk to reward. Or if you're the type that has trust and faith that it's going to make it to its full target, that is nearly a 1 to 9 risk to reward. So, that being said, all we want to do when we see price run off on us is to simply wait for a pullback because the market is simply just a repetition of itself. And as long as you keep your emotions in order, you'll be able to catch the moves that present themselves. Let's go find another example from just a random day. So once again, this was May 7th, which was a Wednesday. Price just ran down, 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 down. Granted, this was a great entry when this low was broken here to target this support here. But if you weren't to catch that big move down, what did price do? Retrace up, close back below this same support. Remember, where price just repeats itself over and over. I'm on the 30-minute time frame, having used a different time frame since we started this. We got a price our candle close below, rejection, rejection, rejection. Boom. Came down to retest this same support. So once again, it's hard to try to time these moves up, trying to catch 1,000 pips. But all we need to do is just wait for our pullback, wait for our retest of this broken zone, perfect retest, closure below, break of this weak bullish candle straight downtown. Anything that happens after this is not our business. We're getting out at this support. Simple as that. Push down, pull back, new entry, riding it down.